Imagine telling an AI, "Plan my vacation, book the tickets, create the itinerary, and stay within 15,000 rupees." And the AI actually does everything automatically. No step-by-step instructions, no manual work. Just give the goal, and the AI figures out the rest. This is called agentic AI, and many experts believe this could be the next big revolution in artificial intelligence. In this video, you will learn what agentic AI actually is, the different types, real-world examples, and why this technology could completely change how we work. Let's get started. Most AI tools today are reactive. You ask a question, AI gives an answer. Examples include ChatGPT answering questions, Google Maps showing directions, and Netflix recommending movies. But agentic AI works differently. Agentic AI can understand a goal, plan tasks, take actions, evaluate results, and adjust strategy. In simple words, agentic AI is AI that can independently take actions to achieve a goal. Instead of just answering questions, it actually completes tasks for you. Think of it like a digital employee or assistant. Most agentic AI systems follow a loop. Step 1. Goal. The AI understands the objective. For example, plan a 3-day Goa trip. Step 2. Planning. It breaks the goal into smaller tasks like finding flights, searching hotels, calculating budget, and planning the itinerary. Step 3. Action. The AI executes these tasks. Step 4. Observation. It checks results and progress. Step 5. Adjustment. If something fails, it tries another approach. Then the cycle repeats until the goal is completed. There are different levels of agentic AI depending on their capability. First, single-task agents. These perform one specific task autonomously, like an AI email assistant that can read emails, categorize them, reply automatically, and highlight important ones. Second, goal-based multi-step agents. These can break a big goal into multiple tasks. You say, "Create a presentation about climate change," and the AI researches, summarizes, generates slides, adds images, and formats the entire presentation. Third, multi-agent systems. Sometimes multiple AI agents work together, each with a specific role. For building a website, you might have a research agent, a designer agent, a developer agent, and a tester agent, all collaborating like a team of digital workers. Fourth, learning and adaptive agents. These improve over time by learning from data and experience, like AI trading systems and personalized recommendation engines. Fifth, fully autonomous agents. This is the most advanced level. These agents can create their own plans, manage complex workflows, coordinate with other agents, and operate across multiple systems. Imagine telling an AI, "I want to start an online business," and it researches trending products, builds an online store, creates marketing campaigns, analyzes sales, and optimizes pricing. Almost like a fully automated business manager. Some early versions of agentic AI already exist. AutoGPT uses GPT models to autonomously complete tasks. Devin AI is an AI software engineer that can build and debug applications. AI research agents can research topics, summarize information, and generate reports automatically. These systems are still evolving, but they show the future direction of AI. Agentic AI could transform many industries. In business, automating operations and decision-making. In healthcare, AI agents managing patient data and treatment plans. In software development, AI building and testing applications. In personal productivity, AI assistants managing daily tasks. Instead of just being tools, AI could become collaborators. However, there are important challenges: safety risks, incorrect decision-making, ethical concerns, and loss of control. This is why many researchers are focusing on AI alignment and safety. To summarize, agentic AI is AI that can plan, decide, take actions, and achieve goals independently. Instead of just answering questions, AI is evolving into systems that can actually get work done, and this could be the next major shift in artificial intelligence. If you had your own AI agent, what task would you want it to do for you? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. See you in the next video.